Very well. So question one says, when estimating a population mean, are you more likely to be correct when you use a point estimate or an interval estimate? Of course, interval estimate. Why is that? Because it gives us a range of numbers. So it increases the chance of actually estimating the population parameter and its value. Question two says, which statistic is the best unbiased estimator for mean? It's going to be the mean of the sample. Question three says, for the same sample statistics, which level of confidence would produce the widest confidence interval? So 99% gives us the widest confidence interval, because it's 99%. 99%, it covers the main portion of the graph, 99%. So remember that for 99% of the critical values, 2.7575 and negative 2.57. Okay, very well. Question four. You constructed 95% confidence interval for population mean using a random sample. The confidence interval is mu, which is in between 31.5 and 24.9. Question says, is the probability that mean is in the interval 95%? Is it the probability that the mean is in between 24.9 and 31.5? So is this the probability is equal to 95%? Is 95% the probability? 95% is actually the confidence level. So C is equal to 95%. It gives us a measure of degree of reliability. We are 95% confident that this is happening. So the answer is no, this is wrong. They say that the answer is with 95% confidence, the mean of population is between these two numbers, 24.9 and 31.5. Be careful, it's not the probability of having the mean in between these two. It's actually the confidence level, the level of confidence. Very good. Question 5 says you have C equals to 80%. What are the critical values? What is plus minus ZC? Very well. Let us take a look at our calculator. So what do we have here? We have actually C, the confidence level equals to 80%. So take a look at the standard normal distribution. 80% is almost here. Okay, so we're looking for negative ZC and positive ZC. 80%, 1 minus 80%, or 100% minus 80% is 20%. So as you know, we divide that 20% by 2, 10% of that area is on the left and 10% of the area is on the right. Okay, now we use inverse norm because we have the area. We want to find the z-value. So let's turn on the calculator. Second was inverse norm, and the area is 10%, 0.10, and the mean is 0, standard deviation is 1, and here we have negative 1.28, and positive 1.28. So negative 1.28 and positive 1.28.